You already know what time it is. Live fire, harder charcoal, and a tomahawk that's about to steal the show. Dawgfatha's on deck. We're going full live fire today. We're talking Texas post oak, harder charcoal. We're talking the Fogue TX Alamo Pro and a tomahawk steak. Let's get into it. All right, so to get our fire started, we're starting off with some harder charcoal. And this is that Cubrao XL size. Love this stuff because it just burns hotter and cleaner and all of that. And it's just a fantastic charcoal. So that's what we're gonna get started with. And we've got a harder charcoal fire starter. So that's what we're gonna get going here. All right, so while we've got our coals getting ready here, getting our fire started, we're gonna start by working on our butter here. And I've just got some herbs here and some garlic. So we're just gonna rough chop our garlic right quick and then finally chop our herbs. Which is just basically some basil, some rosemary, some thyme, oregano, parsley, all of that freshly grown right here on Barbecue Boulevard. And we're actually using our New West Knife Works. This is our 7-inch Sanoku knife, and the link to check out the knife is going to be down in the description box, where you can actually get a discount if you decide to get one of these knives. Fantastic knife. Gorgeous handle on it, made right here in the United States, US of A, and you gotta love that. So that is what's going to be helping us get all of this process is our New West Knife Works, our 7-inch Sanoku. So basically I've got a rough chop on this garlic. We're going to get it mixed in with our herbs here, get it chopped up, and we'll get it going. All right, so now that we got our herbs all chopped up here, we've got some softened butter, and we're basically just gonna take our herb, all of our herbs are gonna go right into it, just like this. All right, and we're gonna season it up with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and bring a little heat with some crushed red chili peppers. And then we're basically just gonna mix all this together. All right, to get our potato dish going here, I've just got some gold potatoes that I'm just slicing into very thin slices here. Again, employing the use of this New West Knife Works Sanoku. Works fantastic. But anyway, we're just gonna slice this up and we're gonna get this dish assembled. All right, to get our potatoes going, we're gonna get our cast iron dish on here and start to get it preheated. Now I've just actually pulled some coals over here underneath this cast iron dish, and we're just gonna let this warm up. All right, we're gonna get some butter put into our cast iron dish here. And this is our herb butter that we just constructed a little while ago. And now we're just gonna layer in our potatoes. Now that we got our potatoes into our cast iron dish, we're just gonna take some more of our butter and just kind of put some right across the top of it here. All right, so we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna get the lid put on here, and we're gonna get this cook going. All right, so we got the lid put onto our potatoes here, and to bake this from the top down, we're just gonna take a hot coal, we're gonna put it right on top, and we're just gonna let this bake these potatoes and get them nice and tender for us. All right, so to get our steak ready here, we've got a massive Tomahawk Ribeye here that we're gonna be doing. And we're just gonna get salt and pepper on this guy here. So I'm going on with some kosher salt here. I've also got some 16 mesh black pepper that we're gonna get on this steak. And we're just gonna get this whole steak seasoned down, and we're gonna get it on the grill. All right, our ribeye goes on. We've already got some coals here. And so we're just gonna put this ribeye right here, and we're gonna get it started. All right, let's give this steak a flip. Looking fantastic there. All right. All right, so it's time for us to get our potatoes off. And yeah, this is what they're looking like. And you just basically want your potatoes to get nice and tender and crispy on the edges for you as much as you like. But yeah, these potatoes are ready to come off, so we're gonna get them off the grill. All right, gang, we are back at the block. We've got our food off of our grill and giving it a chance to rest. And again, today was all about live fire cooking. We made us a nice little herb butter with some basil, some rosemary, parsley, oregano, thyme, you know, those types of things. Added in some crushed red chili peppers, some salt and pepper to season it up. And we had our garlic and herb butter. That's what we put on for our potatoes. Now we sliced up those potatoes, got some of that butter into our cast iron dish, got the potatoes in, and then we cooked it. We just want to get those potatoes nice and tender to your liking, and then we got them off and let them rest. And again, we got the star of the show, which is our tomahawk steak. We just seasoned it with salt and pepper and applied our garlic and herb butter, and then, you know, grill your steak to your liking. I kind of like to go for a medium rare for us, so we'll see how we did with that today. But hey, we got this food here. It's rested, so let's check it out. All right, so here we've got our massive ribeye steak here. Like I said, we've given it time to cool down and rest a bit. So let's cut this thing off the bone here. All right. Yeah, we're gonna cut this right down the middle, guys. All right, and there we go. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. All right, let's get some of this off of this spinalis here. All right, and there we go. There is our steak. All right, let's check it out. All right, cheers. Oh, wait a minute. I think you guys thought I forgot. No, sir. We got potatoes too, so let's check out these potatoes too. All right, so here's our potatoes. And guys, I basically just put a little shredded Parmesan on top of it and some chives that were grown right here on Barbecue Boulevard. But man, this is what we're looking like. These things smell phenomenal. So yeah, we're gonna get into this. All right, we got a little potato here. Oh yeah, excellent potatoes. Nice and tender, yet still has a little firmness to it, which I like. Crunchy edge on it. I'm digging that. Digging that a lot. But the star of the show, the steak right here. So let's get into it. Oh man. Oh, good Lord. Good Lord, thank you for making steak for us. Well, gang, there you have it. Another excellent cook, fantastic tasting steak. I ain't even gonna keep talking about it because I'm ready to get into this. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and keep it Dawgfatha approved. I'm out. Peace.